The beach at Maya Bay is one of the most famous and photogenic places in Thailand. In fact, it's now one of the most famous white sand beaches in the world. The entire beach is surrounded by tall limestone cliffs with clear turquoise water. Maya Bay is now world famous as the breathtaking setting in Hollywood blockbuster The Beach. Maya Bay snorkel spot is on the opposite side from the popular Maya Beach. There isn't much coral or fish to see, but you can see juvenile black-tip reef sharks and fish feeding along the rocky shoreline.